Okay, my name is Andy Pugh, unless you're one of my students, in which case I'm just Mr. Pugh, and I'm physics mad. One of the things that's studied often in school and science is heat transfer. And there are three main ways in which we describe heat transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. Radiation is a pure energy transfer. It's using the electromagnetic spectrum. Conduction and convection are both about movement of material. Conduction is the transfer of energy through a material, through vibrations of the atoms, the molecules and the material themselves, and the movement of free electrons. But what I want to mention today is convection. I want to show a rather interesting demonstration of convection. Convection is the transfer of heat energy through a material moving due to changes in density. Things that are less dense for a particular mass take up more space. I have here a tea bag. It's kind of one of those sort of herbal tea bags. I'm going to trim off the paper tag. And when you do that, you're left with a tube, very fine paper. So I'm going to take that tube, I'm going to set it down on my notebook. Now my notebook provides a flat surface. I'm actually going to set fire to this. As we set fire to it, the air is going to be heated. The air above is going to be heated much more than the air around. And that's because the air above is being heated by convection. So the air here is going to get heated, and because it's becoming less dense, temperature's going up, the air is going to expand, it's becoming less dense, it's going to rise. As it rises, we're going to get this column of air moving up. Now, the only force acting on this at the moment is its weight acting downwards. So we've got weight acting down, but we've got this column of air moving up. We're looking at hot air rising. That will generate an upwards force on the paper tube. And the upwards force is greater than the weight. The tube will actually rise. There it goes. Looks like it's going to be quite dramatic, as if it's going to set fire to my... There it goes. There it goes. Looks like it's going to be quite dramatic, as if it's going to set fire to my... There it goes. So, convection. It's one of my favourite little tricks.